Hello friends, welcome to my LeetCode problem solving journey day 2. So today we are doing the problem number 1281, that is subtract the product and sum of digits of an integer. Let us first of all understand the problem statement. So the problem statement is that given an integer number n, means we are being provided the integer number n, return the difference between the product of its digit and the sum of its digit. Then we have to find the product of digits that are present in the integer n and the sum of the digits. After finding products and sum, we have to subtract sum of digits from the product of digits. Let us understand it properly using example 1. So we have been provided an input n equals to 234, means a single number, that is 234, and output is 15. Now let us see through the explanation. Now product of digits. Now we have to find the product of digits, not the product of number. It's a product of digits. So we have to separate each digit from the number. After separating, we will find the product of digits, and similarly we have to find the sum of digits. After getting product of digits and sum of digits, we have to find the result, that is product of digits minus sum of digits. It's very simple question. So let us first of all discuss the approach. So here first of all we will take the two variables, that is first will be product, which will hold the product of digits, and another will be sum, which will track the sum of the digits. Then after we will take a loop in which we will be separating the digits, means in that loop we will be using the modulus, because modulus provides us the remainder and it's the best way for separating the digits. So let us understand it using code. So let us first of all declare the variable product with the initial value 1, as we know that we can multiply any number with 1, which won't affect it, and let the sum be 0. For summation or addition we can use 0 so that it doesn't affect our results. Now we will use the while loop till n less than 0, sorry, n greater than 0. Now we will take another variable that will keep the digit, that is n modulus 10. Why we have done here n modulus 10? Because we know that the modulus provides us the remainder, and we can separate the digits using remainder, as when we will divide, let us divide 234, means let us do 234 modulus 10. So after doing 234 modulus 10, we will get the remainder 4, because 10 into 23, that will be 230, and after subtracting 234 minus 230, that will be 4, and at the end we will get the remainder 4. So we will get the digit 4. After that we will divide the n by 10 so that the 4 gets removed. Since n is the integer, so the decimal will be ignored. So n will now become 23 instead of 234. So we have separated our one digit and stored it in the digit variable. Now between these two processes we will also do the product and also sum. So let us also do the product operation, that is product will be equals to product into digit. Similarly sum will be equals to sum plus digit. Okay. So let me first of all explain this. So let us try run the while loop, that Now since n greater than 0, let us assume n equals to 234. So currently n is already greater than 0. So int digit will be equals to n modulus 10. That is 234 modulus 10. That will provide us 4, because 23 into 10, that is 230. So by division we can get the remainder 4. Here modulus always provides us only the remainder, not the quotient. Now after that we have separated the last digit from the number. So now we will do the product. That is product equals to product into digit. We have already declared the variable product outside the block. So now the product will be 1 into 4, that is 4, and sum will be, sorry, here I have done multiplication, it will be plus. Okay, so sum will be sum plus digit, that is 0 plus 4, that is 4. Then after that n will be n by 10, that is 234 divided by 10, that will be equals to 23.4. But since we have been provided that n is the integer data type, so the decimal will be ignored and only 23 will be returned. So now n will be 23. Then we will go to second iteration. Still n is, now the n is 23, so still n is greater than 0. So again the n will enter the loop. Now int digit will be equals to n percent 10, that is 23 modulus 10, which will give us 3. Now int digit equals to 3. So product will be product into digit, that is product, we have product, previously we have product equals to 4, now product will be equals to 4 into digit, that is 3, and sum will be equals to sum plus digit, that is 4 plus 3. Now again n will be equals to n divided by 10, that is 23 divided by 10, 2.3 equals to 2, as n is the integer. And similarly it will happen with 2 also. After when 2 comes here, n equals to n by 10. Now 2 by 10 equals to 0.02. Sorry, 0.2. Now since n is the integer, so it will return only 0, n equals to 0. Now since while n greater than 0 we have taken the condition, but now 0 is not greater than 0, so the loop will terminate. After the loop terminates, we have to return the product minus sum. That's the solution. Let us run and check it whether it is correct or not. Sorry, here's one semicolon missing. Here also, that will cause an error, I think so. Sorry, there is a little network problem. Sorry, please give me a minute. Okay, so we can see that we have been passing both of the test cases. Now let's submit and check whether all the test cases are getting passed or not. Okay, so we can see that we have passed all the test cases. Now let us also discuss the time complexity and space complexity. So first of all, let us discuss time complexity. Since we are using the loop, so time since we are using the loop. But in this loop, the loop will run until there will be digits present in the number. Means the number of digits in a single number, sorry, I am trying to say that the loop will run the times the number of digits present in a number. Means if let us take the number 234, so means there are 3 digits, so the loop will run 3 times. If the number is of 4 digits, then the loop will run 4 times. So here the time complexity will be of order of log n. And the space complexity, since there is no array vector, so the only the constant variables are there that are getting just updated, so the space complexity of this will be order of 1. Thank you. If you like my solution, then please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any kind of doubt, then please comment me. I will try to solve it as soon as possible. Thank you.